Hello, Anne. Hello, Anne. Anne, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Anne? Can you hear me?
I can.
Okay. How are you today, Anne? Good evening.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So, were you able to take your dinner now?
Yes.
What's your food?
It was fish.
Mm-hmm. What kind of dish is that? Is it a fish with a soup
Yes.
or fried fish only?
I eat fish with soup.
Ah, okay, fish with soup. And did you also eat what do you call this one? Rice? Rice? Did you take rice also?
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm asking you because teacher is very hungry now. My stomach is very ouchy ouchy. It's very painful because I'm hungry. Okay, anyway, I will eat after our class, but I still got two more students after you.
Okay.
Okay, so how was your day in school, Anne? Can you tell me something about it?
Um. mm, It was fun.
It was fun. Okay. Uh, can you adjust a little bit of your camera, Anne? Can you put it down a little bit? Okay, because I cannot see your face clearly. See, you're very, very, very pretty. Okay. All right, Anne, let's begin our activity for tonight. Let's begin.
Okay.
All right, Anne. All right, so tonight we are having an activity, okay?
Okay.
This is an activity and not a lesson. Okay, so Anne, let's have part one. Look and write. Choose the correct words from the right side of the screen, okay? So example, you can cross a river or a road on one of these. So the answer is a bridge. Okay, so number one, Anne, read and answer.
Um. One. You can carry food and warm clothes in this when you go climbing. A rucksack.
Okay, a rucksack or a backpack. Okay, number two.
You go to this place if you want to see tigers and clowns. A crickets. A teacher.
A circus. Can you say it? Circus.
Circus.
Okay, very good. Number three.
People can ride on this when there is a lot of snow. Mm, mm,
People can ride on this when there is a lot of snow.
a sledge.
Okay, very good. That is correct. A sledge. Number 4.
You can have a room in this place when you are on holiday. A hotel.
A hotel. That's correct also. Last one, number 5.
If you are ill, you go to hospital. Uh, in one of these, ambulance.
An ambulance is correct. Very good. So the answers are a rucksack, a circus, a sledge, a hotel, and an ambulance. Good job, Anne. I think this is very easy for you. Okay, let's see the other one. Okay, there's another one, number 6.
Um, you go to this place if you want to see a dinosaur. A
Mhm.
museum.
A museum. Good job. Number 7.
It is difficult to see when there is a lot of this
Mm-hmm.
fog.
Okay, fog is correct. Number 8.
When it snows, children make one of these and throw it. A snowball.
Snowball. Very good. Number 9.
One of these brings a lot of wind and rain. A storm.
Storm is also correct. Number 10.
People make things like cars or televisions here. A
Mm-hmm.
factory.
A factory is correct. See? It is very easy for you. Okay, good job. It means you are a very smart girl. Okay, next one, and part 2. Look and read. Right? Yes or no? Okay, and look at the picture and then answer me by yes or no. Okay, teacher will read the question. Number 1. The class have eaten their lunch.
No,
Oh, wait. Okay, no. Why? Why did you say no?
because the students are studying.
Okay, because the students are studying and they look also, and their face is very sad, right? They look hungry. So number 2, and the monster who is crossing his arms has dropped his pen.
Um, yes.
Yes, number 3, the kangaroo is bouncing a ball on the desk.
Hmm. Um, mm, um, no.
Are you sure the kangaroo is bouncing a ball on the desk?
Hmm. Yes.
Sa labas. Okay, answer is yes. Number 4, the monster with green hair is drawing a picture.
Um, yes.
Okay, very good. Number 5, someone has closed the curtains.
No.
Okay, no. Number 6. The children are reading books.
Yes.
Yes, and last one. The teacher is tidying the flowers.
No.
Okay, answer is no because the flowers are on the vase. Okay, very good. And okay, next activity. It says here, part 3, 5 questions. Okay, so Mr. West works in a shop and is talking to Emma. What does Emma say to Mr. West? Read the conversation and choose the best answer. Write letter A to H for each answer. You do not need to use all the letters. There's one example. So example, Mr. West, hello, can I help you? The answer is D. Okay, so we're going to read Again, we are going to read this together. Okay? So I will be Mr. West. Okay, number 1. What kind of book?
B.
Letter.
B.
Okay, very good. What's letter B? You say the sentence.
One which has pictures of animals in it.
Okay, number 2. That's easy. We've got lots of those. Who's it for?
G.
Oh, wait. Okay, letter G. What's letter G?
My mother. It's her birthday soon.
Very good. Well, books are always good presents.
H.
Okay, what's letter H?
Yes, my family reads a lot. We all love books.
Okay, very good. So do I. Will your mom like this one?
Um, um, F.
Okay, very good. What's letter F?
She might, but it's too expensive.
This one's cheaper and the pictures are lovely.
E.
Very good. What's letter E?
Yes, they are. I'd like to buy it, please.
Good. I'll put it in a bag for you. Oh, see? And every In every part, you got perfect score always. See, good job. So now, Anne, let's have part 4, 6 questions. Let's see if you can still get a perfect score. Okay, read the story. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. There's one example. Okay, Anne, you can see here some words in the top, okay?
Okay.
You're going to choose there. Let's begin.
Okay. John's parents gave him a red drum for his 8th birthday. When John opened his present early that morning, he was very excited to see a drum inside. He started to play it very loudly. He played it all morning and then after lunch he wanted to play it again, but his mom felt ill.
He was
He has
very... Oh, wait, what's your answer in the first one? He was very...
excited.
Okay, good job.
She has had a bad headache because John and his drum were so noisy. His dad said, John,
If you...
if you want to play your drum, go outside, please. John went into the garden and played his drum there. After 5 minutes, he
He...
he heard some lovely music.
He heard. Okay, that's correct.
Some lovely music. He went out into the street
Okay.
and saw lots of people there. It was the circus. They drove into town in their lorries and trucks. The
Truck
driver
and...
the driver of the first truck stopped when he saw John jumped on the back of the truck and and rode into town with them. He played his drum all the way there.
Okay, so number 6. Now, choose the best name for this story. What do you think is the title of the story?
John's new drum.
Okay, very good. The answer is John's new drum. All right, good job, Anne. Still a perfect score. Next one, part 5. We have 7 questions here. Look at the picture and read the story. Write some words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, 3, or 4 words. Okay, so the title of the story is Vicky and Jack and their exciting presents. Okay, so Anne, can you read the story now?
Miss Green wanted her children, Vicky and Jack, to have good, strong teeth. Every night, she said, you must clean your teeth very well. It's important, and you shouldn't eat chocolate or sweets. But Vicky and Jack didn't like cleaning their teeth. It was boring, and they loved chocolate and sweets. One day, Miss Green said, next week, we are going to go and see the dentist. If you have very good teeth, I'll give you both something very nice. Vicky and Jack were very excited when she said that. They cleaned their teeth very carefully after breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Perhaps she'll give me a new bicycle, said Vicky to her brother. Perhaps I'll have a new kite, said Jack to his sister. They talked about their present every night they went to bed. When they each sat in a dentist's chair, he looked into their mouths and said, "Everything is fine. Your teeth look very strong and white." "Excellent." The children felt excited. "What will our present be?" they whispered in the back of the car on the way home. When they arrived, Miss Green smiled and said, "You've been very good." And she opened the cupboard and gave them new pink toothbrushes. Vicky and Jack weren't very happy.
Okay, that is a nice story. So example, and Mrs. Green's children were called Vicky and Jack. And Mrs. Green thinks it's important to clean teeth very well. Okay, wait a minute, and wait for me. I just go to the restroom, okay? Wait for me.
Hmm.
Hello, Anne. Sorry for keeping you wait. Okay, so
Okay.
let's answer the questions now. Number 1. Vicky and Jack like eating blank very much.
Vicky and Jack like um eating chocolate and sweets.
Okay, chocolates and sweets is correct. Number 2. The children had to visit the blank next week.
The children had to visit the dentist next week.
Okay, number 3. Vicky and Jack felt blank about getting presents.
Vicky and Jack felt excited about getting presents.
Okay, very good. Okay, next one. The children carefully blank after each meal.
Um, the children carefully cleaned their teeth after each meal.
Yes, clean their teeth is correct. Number 5. When they went to bed every evening, Vicky and Jack talked about.
Talk about their presents every
Okay,
night.
their presents. Number 6. Their teeth look blank at the dentist.
Their teeth um their teeth look very strong and white at the dentist.
Okay, strong white at the dentist. Last one. But their exciting presents were only 2 new.
With their exciting presents were only 2 new toothbrushes.
Yes, toothbrushes. Okay, very good. So a total of 7 points in this part. Now let's have part 6. 10 questions. Read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines. Okay, example. So in the picture, there is bats. So bats are very interesting animals. They live in caves or, okay. So now, Anne, number 1.
Okay.
Oh,
They
you're,
sleep.
they sleep.
They sleep. Mm, um, um, they sleep during the day and only wake up
Okay, wait. They sleep during the day and
during the
only wake
day
up.
and wake up in the evening.
Mm-hmm.
When it is dark, they fly out of their caves and catch insects
Uh-huh.
with other food. Some
Okay.
bats also eat fruit in the jungle.
Okay. Okay, next one, number 6.
Most bats can see very well, but they have big ears and hear very well.
Oh,
Many
wait, wait,
young
wait, wait. See very well, but
they have big ears and hear everything.
mm-hmm.
Many young and old people are afraid of bats because they think they Because they think
They think
they should fall in their hair.
might. Oh, you got one mistake now. Okay, continue.
Fall in their hair or on their face.
Mhm.
And face.
On their faces.
Um hmm.
What's number 9? But, and, or
Um
if.
it's that's a very clever. Mm,
What's that? What word is that?
um but
But. It's correct.
that's a clever that people think and they fly very well and very fast.
What's your answer number 10? That or then?
Then
Then, okay. So you got one mistake in this activity. Okay, so a total of 9 points. Okay, so let's have part 7, 5 questions. Read the postcard and write the missing words. Write one word on each line. Okay, here, Anne. I'll start with Dear Emma.
dear Emma,
Mhm.
I am having a lovely time on holiday. Mom, Dad and I went to a castle yesterday. In the gardens, we saw some beautiful flowers. And we want to look inside the castle too. Dad told me about
Again, what's your answer number 1? In the gardens.
we saw
Mhm.
we
Some.
saw some beautiful flowers and we wanted to
Mhm.
look inside the castle too. Dad told me about a flag on the castle.
Okay, the or a is correct.
This always flies. Uh, this always flies. Flies.
This always flies.
Hmm. Um, um, the queen is in the castle. We waited for a long time.
Oh, your answer
It
number 4 is
was
wrong. It's when or if, okay? Next, continue. We waited for a
we
long
waited for
time.
a long time, but we never saw her. I I am very sad. See you soon. Love, Shane.
Okay, but anyway, is still correct in the last part, okay? I am very sad or I was very sad. That's also correct. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 points for this activity. All right, so and we are finished with the first part. Okay, we still got 4 minutes. So I'll open one more activity for you. Okay, where's that? Okay, here.
Okay.
All right, so we have this part. It's speaking part. Okay, so Anne, tell me about yourself.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh, answer in
Mm,
complete sentence. Okay, let's begin. Tell me about yourself, Anne. Your name, your birthday.
um, my name is Anne. My birthday is on the 9th, the 9th,
Mm-hmm.
the 9th of February.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, Um, I am studying in Pascan School. Hmm,
What else?
Um,
What sports do you like to play?
um, I like to play. I like to play skipping.
Mm-hmm.
Um, mm,
What's your favorite food?
um, I like chicken and soup.
Mm-hmm. How about your favorite color?
Um, my favorite color is pink.
Oh, it's pink. We are the same. My favorite color is also pink. Okay, so next question. Do you like holidays, Anne? And what do you often do on holidays?
Um, I like holidays.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll always watch TVs on holidays.
Mm-hmm. So where do you spend your holiday usually, Anne?
Mm,
What do you like? No. Where do you usually spend your holidays?
Um,
What place?
mm,
Do you want to spend it in the beach or in the house or
I spend it in the house
in the house because
because mm, mm,
Because what?
Um,
Because what would you like to do in your house?
um, I like to watch TV.
Oh, okay. That's why you wanted to spend your holidays in the house because you always wanted to watch TV.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So that is a nice answer and short but simple. Okay. So and that ends our activity for tonight. And we're going to continue this speaking skills again on Thursday. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Good night, Anne. Sleep early.
Bye
Chukmon.
bye.
Goodbye.